Oh! Well done, Charlie, for your response. Does this cable work with Android?
Okay, crack on, Greg. Introduce.
Hello. Hello.
Good evening to you all, and welcome back to another episode of the Three Dads. Hi!
Not just the three dads.
Three Dads product reviews. Jingles? No.
No.
What are we reviewing, Greg?
So, tonight we will be reviewing the Amazon Basics Apple certified Lightning USB cable.
You should have told me that. I've got an Amazon Basics USB Lightning certified thingamajigamabob.
Lightning
Whatever it is.
Lightning certified.
Lightning
Sounds great.
So that,
By Zeus himself.
absolutely. Thunderbolt. I don't know if Zeus speaks like that, but anyway. So just before we start, there was a couple of questions on it. Given that this is an Apple certified Lightning USB cable,
Certified. Got it now. Got it.
so this is an Apple cable for the Lightning connection on an Apple phone. So first question regarding this.
Yes.
Does this cable work with Android? So the very helpful response to this question, and to be honest, it's the only response really is, so question, does this cable work with Android? Answer, can you smell with your ears?
See, I was thinking the answer would be no.
Me too.
Which is actually correct.
So,
Who asks?
Well,
those people shouldn't be allowed. In fact, they shouldn't be allowed keys to their own house.
No.
They should be locked away.
I think that has to be said. It's a fair response.
Yes. So try breathing underwater, see how you get on.
Yes.
Do us all a favour.
It's quite
Was
good.
that person anonymous with their question?
Yes, they were anonymous with their question.
I'm not surprised. The embarrassment would be too great.
Well done, Charlie, for your response.
Yeah, it's correct. Well done. Round of applause for Charlie.
Good old Charlie.
Anyone got anything positive to say about this?
Well, yes, there is a substantial amount of positive reviews. The amount of positive reviews being in the region of. Oh, I've lost it now. See, preparation.
Where am I?
I've got one. I'll give it a 5-star
So
of my certified Lightning Amazon.
yes, there are
green
4,813 customer reviews,
That's a lot of reviews for a cable.
of which nearly 3,500 of them are 5-star. So, on balance, it looks good. However, I mean, there are some.
Still can't use it with my Android though. I'm glad I know that.
There are some 1-star reviews. I found one. So where was this? Well, this was somebody called Runner.
Hello, Runner.
Hello.
Runner said. So his review was, did not arrive,
Oh, at all?
and it's a 1-star review.
Wow.
I wouldn't have done that if it didn't arrive.
So it did not arrive. So he has reviewed the product on the basis of
Not
it
having it
not
at all.
actually being there
DNA.
and not being using.
That's ridiculous.
DNA.
not
did
being
not
using,
arrive.
not using it.
What are you going
How
on
can you
about?
possibly
Gentlemen.
review products without having them?
I know.
Nonsense.
On the other hand, there's plenty of absolutely fantastic. There's reviews like that. But I mean, then again, some of the 5-star reviews that I've seen a bit sparse. And again, similar to reviews we've done before, are more based around the delivery and timing, but not actually reviews of the product themselves. I mean, albeit, what do you review for a Lightning USB cable for an Apple device?
That's certified.
Let's just make that clear. Apple
Lightning.
and not Android. But yeah. So on balance, and looking at the reviews, I would buy one.
I think
Given
I
that
would.
I did.
Did you really?
I did. It's in the car.
And where can one purchase
Did
this?
you buy it there?
I actually stole it off my sister.
Oh, where can...
Bad. She did buy it from Amazon because it says Amazon Basics on it.
All right, okay.
and where might one purchase this product?
You can purchase it in
Woolworths.
that linky, not Woolworths. That linky below.
Scroll down.
That's him scrolling down, by the way. That's So there's a link below to where you can buy. Should you need an Apple Lightning USB cable, and it's Apple certified. Sorry, it's not an actual Apple cable. It's Apple certified.
Don't buy
What
it
does
for
that mean?
Android.
It means that Apple have approved it.
They've looked at it and gone, meh.
Yeah. Some people have said that it's better than the opposite cable.
Better
Shock
than
horror.
Ooh, you can't be saying that about Apple
I know.
products.
And on that
Although,
note,
on
Yes.
Amazon,
So, buy it if you want it. It's down there. But on that note, we shall depart for the evening. That has been another customer review type thing. The three dads. Cheery bye.
toodaloo for now.